happy, ecstatic, difficult, arduous, confused, baffled, beautiful, stunning, dangerous, perilous, bright, radiant, rich, affluent, brave, courageous. Do you know what is the advanced English of small? Let me know in the comment. I don't know, to be honest. By the way, let me know. Be right back. In real life. Just kidding. Laughing out loud. For your information. I don't care. Also known as shaking my head. Empathy. I feel your suffering. Sympathy. I care about your suffering. Apathy. I don't care about your suffering. On Monday. In July. In 2016 at 5 o'clock. In summer. In the morning. On Friday morning. In the past. At the weekend. On the 13th of June. Do you know what is the answer for this question?